We're here to talk about digital transformation, and that's what this is all about. That's our journey. It's not about the technology. It is about the people. How we use technology and what is the outcome of that.
This event is very open table concept. From the dialogue session, I'm seeing a lot of sharing in terms of how the participants are looking at the newer way of getting into the smart application, and of course from the vendor perspective, we want to help the participant on how to transform their traditional legacy data center into the smart data center to be more agile, to support the newer way application to support the community and the public.
Yeah, discussions were really good. It shows me the interaction between the Singapore environment as a smart nation and what the education process can do actually to support that and benefit from that actually. So the networking is a really good thing actually.
The users, in a lot of cases, are changing and evolving faster, keeping up with technology. So the agencies are lagging slightly behind. And we got to address that issue because we got to keep up with what's out there. But there's too much out there. So we got to pick and choose, where are we concentrating, what are we focusing on, because there is a change fatigue going on right now.
This is like speed dating, so you get to know a lot of best practice sharing of what's going on in the industry, as well as to network with new contacts in the industry, end users, as well as the IT practitioners, as well as regulators. So it's a very useful forum.
I think the roundtable has opened up the conversation among the vendors as well as the agencies in sharing with us their current challenge, and this actually facilitates some of the thought process of how the vendor should engage the customer in the long term as well as the near opportunities that we are looking at.
Discussion was pretty healthy. People started getting involved and talking about where they see themselves on their security journey in terms of detection and response and protect.
Started with an activity where people could actually tell us what their challenge was. And that was one where we put some marbles into a glass and we said, hey, are we in the prevention, detect or response section? And a lot of the people were saying, we're still dealing with prevention, which isn't working for them today. And that's really highlighting one of the challenges of moving to a resilient government infrastructure. And that's where we see the spending and the development moving into detect and respond.
There was this table with all the Lego. I found it very interesting, and the analogy used was very apt because I come from healthcare. He talked about it is just like human bodies. You assimilate a lot of data and how you actually make use of that.
I'm sure next year will be a different level. So next year will be very much into what has been done, right? And what are the benefits going out to the community.
I think we'll be back again. We need to keep talking to the government, right?
I will certainly be back next year, absolutely.
When you get 200 people in the room, let's question status quo. You got a few hours this morning to figure that one out. How do you make a dent in the universe?